Yeah.
Great.
But Kelp is good. It's my favorite.
Oh, lemon is good.
The lemon is good.
But Aida, you finished too. What?
I gave her mine, that's why.
Ooh.
Drink, diabetes mo. Drinking festival.
Hey, sister, is that recording? But then maybe that's recording the other side.
Yeah. Because no, Gina wants to show to Philippines.
Oh, no, what I mean is it better to put it on the other camera, on the other side?
Then when we're there.
After she see yourself.
Now you know what? We have to cut the movie. No, it's okay.
Because, baby, if you would have put it the other side, better camera. It's crazy. No, because that camera is a front face camera.
Yeah.
So that is only 3 megapixels. And the back side is 8
It's
megapixels.
more brighter. That's what it means. It's very smart talaga.
I mean, very smart.
Change it.
Yeah.
But that looks good.
This is good because we can see now. You can talk to Jima. You can say hi to Jima.
Hi, Gemma! When I go there, give you a big hug.
Enjoy your TV.
But listen, oh, you know what? Fuck. If they don't throw it away again, I have this buried in the building. They have this very nice Sony DVD player with 2 speakers on the side and a big subwoofer, but it's very nice.
When is it?
I didn't bring it today because I didn't know. I should have brought it today. Shit, but it was too heavy. So a lot of too many things. When you leave?
Man, you know what? You should keep it right now, and then tomorrow I can go get it.
So the thing
You
is,
can call me and then I
Oh
pick it
yeah.
up at
So
night.
it's already there.
Silly.
you're gonna need. It's gonna be 2 bags at
Taxi.
least.
No, I can use my shopping cart and I use taxi is $5. Yeah. From your 60 to 90. Baby talaga.
Yeah. You want to?
Yeah.
Okay. Then.
Call right now.
No, it's over there. And
You know what?
Monday. You work Monday. Tomorrow.
no, tomorrow. You know what? When I get there tomorrow, I don't think nobody's gonna take it because it's a DVD player and nobody wants DVD players anymore.
And it's just in the basement?
It's in the basement, yeah. But it's very nice. I tell you, it's a Sony. It's silver, but it has like very nice shape. And then it has very nice 2 small speakers that go on the wall and a big subwoofer.
Subwoofer is important.
But what I like, it looks very nice. It looks very new.
Okay.
So I was thinking, because over there they throw it away now. They don't.
Do we use the camera? Do you want me to pay for you 50 because my sister-in-law, she wants camera.
Our camera, the one that we have there.
Yeah? You want to keep it?
To be honest with you, I was thinking about buying a new one.
Oh yeah, you sell that to me 50, I will give you $50 or 40.
You know what? Just give me the other 20 for the DVR.
Okay.
Because the DVR is $50.
Yeah. Okay. Then I
Just give me
give
the
you
other
the
20
camera.
and give it to her because I'm gonna buy another camera.
Okay. I'll give you right
I'm
now.
gonna buy this camera that is Samsung.
I will show you the camera na.
I like Canon.
Okay, you know.
I like Canon. The camera Canon.
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 Oh, Canon. Yeah, Canon. But this is Samsung.
Canon.
That is like the freaking shit. The Galaxy. It's called Galaxy camera. But it's good because in the back, the whole screen is this big and everything is touch screen. It's like an iPad. So that's why it's called Samsung Galaxy camera because it's like a Samsung phone.
It's the same thing as Freedom. Samsung Galaxy. Isn't it? I mean, you know? I think that's what
Samsung Galaxy, the phone. No, but here's the camera. I'll show you. It's a camera and it has zoom out very nice.
Bakit may mga bold picture kayo dito?
Yung battery is going.
Kaya ko po.
Pero sa lupas, Si
Napuro
Nabi.
ka rin yung picture. Siya, kuko.
Oh, yes.
Ipa-develop ka, ipa-develop. Ginawa, you develop this tomorrow.
Ha?
Ipa-develop din sa aga. Ay, so si friend.
Just erase the pictures that are in there. That's it.
Okay. As long as there is no board, yung hindi ito na pinipin.
Yeah, but you know,
Oh,
erase
that's
everything.
me!
Ha? Ano ba? Mataba ka digdiya?
Oh, guys, I am so cute. I am.
Ayos, ano ay, wala nang bata na yun.
Oh my God, no. I do.
Sabi ko sino ikaw? Hindi ko naalala.
She didn't remember.
This camera, the sort of pictures of you there, sis?
Uh-huh. They should
Yeah,
be
this is the whole thing. Yeah, ito yung siligan niya. Pag mas...
Does this have memory card?
Para
No,
lang.
It has memory card, 2 gigabytes.
Wow. She's lucky, Mother Chuti. Ay, ang ganda mo doon. Ipa-develop mo yun. Mas pumayot ka ngayon.
Bagay sa yung curly hair.
I know. I don't like it.